If CapCut is showing a GPU error, freezing on export, or acting weird in the preview window, the good news is that in many cases this is a simple fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to fix the CapCut GPU error, including updating your graphics driver, restarting your PC, and making sure CapCut itself is fully up to date. These steps are safe, beginner-friendly, and they solve the most common causes of CapCut graphics problems. And if this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to update your graphics driver because outdated GPU drivers are one of the biggest reasons CapCut runs into preview issues, export errors, or performance problems. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA app and check for the latest driver update. If you're on AMD, open the Adrenaline software and look for available updates. And if you're using Intel graphics, download and run the Intel Driver and Support Assistant to find the newest driver for your system. Once you install the latest driver, let the process complete fully, because even a partially outdated driver can still trigger the same CapCut GPU error. After the update is finished, restart your computer. This step is important because it gives Windows a fresh start and makes sure the new graphics driver is loaded properly. Don't skip the restart, because sometimes CapCut will keep using old driver data until the system is rebooted. Now open CapCut again and check whether the error is gone. If you're still seeing the issue, the next step is to refresh CapCut and make sure it's updated. Close CapCut completely, then reopen it from your desktop or start menu. Once you're back on the CapCut home screen, look for the update icon and install the latest version if one is available. Keeping CapCut updated is important because newer versions often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility updates for GPU-related problems. If there's an update waiting, install it right away, then relaunch the app when it finishes. In many cases, just updating your GPU driver, restarting your PC, and updating CapCut is enough to fix the error completely. If you've made it this far and the problem is resolved, that's great. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes and software tutorials. And if you're still having issues after these steps, the problem may be related to a deeper graphics compatibility setting or a corrupted install. But for most users, this quick method solves the CapCut GPU error fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.